Pick up pop Molly in the party, bad bitch. Cardi in the room, y'all made them chop top like Pilates. I ain't never give a fuck. I was in the cut with a bitch from Tacoma.
Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but I've been really busy and I only like making quality videos, but today I got a pretty gas video for you. So you probably read the title. It's not about the Mustang, so let's get this out of here and then let's get what this video is actually about in the garage. This is my new 1997 Acura Integra. You can see it's pretty clean, There are a few flaws, like this hole in the bumper up here, very unfortunate. A little bit of fading, but one of my favorite parts, the interior, is super mint. Yeah, damn. And just all around, it is a pretty gas little daily. There is some rust over here, which I'll also try to fix, but we have big plans for this car, so I am super excited to build it. So as many of you guys know, I actually used to have an Integra. Roll the clip. And I love that car, it was a great daily, but unfortunately, it blew up. Roll the other clip. But yeah, so I've been looking for a new one since then, and I found this bad boy. So I'm super excited to finally get to fully build an Integra. So there's a lot of things to come, which I'll be posting on here. But speaking of the first Integra, the first big mod we're doing to the Integra is from the old Integra. Come over here. Coils from the old Integra. These coils were pretty new on the Integra. They probably only have a few thousand miles on them before it blew up, and they're function form coils, so they're pretty decent. So we're gonna be throwing them on the new Integra and slamming this John, owning it less than a week. I'm super excited, so let's get started. Whoever tightened those lug nuts was an absolute idiot. Like, they tightened them way too tight. Look at this shit. I broke 2 ratchets and 2 of these little adapters to go on my breaker bar. That was ridiculous. I had to heat up every single one. It took me like 2 hours to get the wheels off. But luckily, I've installed coils on the Integra like 3 times, so hopefully this part goes pretty fast. Well, this turned out to be harder than I thought. The bolts are all really on there, so I think we're gonna have to use the torch. Yes! Oh shit, that's hot. Final screw is back here, and it also won't come out, so we're gonna need heat for that one too. Yay! Voila. Now we're really fucked. Oh my god, dude, what the fuck?
Eternity later.
As you may be able to tell by my outfit change, it is a new day. The Teggy's still fucked. It's way harder than I thought it was gonna be. That bolt really fucked me, but we got it off. I had to cut that shit. I had to cut that shit off because this bolt right here, cooked. It broke 2 of my drill extractors. It broke a ratchet. It broke so much shit. I hate this, but we got it off. So now we can finally get the first coil in after like 7 hours. This was supposed to take me like an hour or 2. Fuck. Alright, first let's get this coil on. These were the easiest bolts to take off, by the way. I could actually use my impact on 2 of the bolts out of all of them. Get this piece put on. Now we can use the jack to get this bottom part put in. finally got the first coil on, and it took 2 days. What the fuck? On to the other side of fuckery. Hopefully this side goes a little bit smoother, because I'm more prepared this time. Okay, yep, nope, we need the old torch. We're gonna be doing this for a while. The heat method worked, the bolt is off. Now, it's time for this strip bolt back here. Probably gonna have to just cut this again, but we'll try to get it out first.
20 minutes later.
Alright, we have gotten both of the front coils on. As you can see by the light outside, it is once again a new day. My grinder literally broke cutting off the second coil. But now we're ready to move on to the back, so hopefully the back is a lot easier. But first, I just got a package for the Teggy, so let's unbox this John. New bumper for the Teggy. Looking gas. It is pretty damn bent on this side, but it's pretty flexible, so I think it'll be fine once it's on the car. So that'll probably be in a video soon, but let's go back to the coils, because we gotta finish that first. Well, let's get the wheels back on. Gas. Oh, yeah. Gas. Alright, so we gotta pop the trunk, and then we gotta take out these little covers back here so that we can get to these bolts back in there. These covers just pop off with clips, so those are easy. Down here, I believe it's only one bolt holding this on, plus the 2 bolts up there. So I don't think we're gonna have to cut anything back here. However, the bolts are still super tight, so we're still gonna have to heat them up. But the back should be easier. We'll actually get this done today. I did have to cut the spring because this wouldn't go down enough to take it out, but I already cut the front too, so it doesn't really matter. So now we can finally put the new one in. We got the screw on there. That was kind of a pinch, but now we're ready to put it in. We just gotta use the jack to lift it up, get it lined up, screw in the top bolts, and another coil's in. That took way less time than the front did. And the new coil is on. So much easier than the fronts. Now let's move on to the other side. Now on to the last coil. Once again, the bolt is seized, so we're gonna have to heat it up, but this one shouldn't take too long, and the Teggy will be slammed. We have to cut the spring, but this one has gone a lot smoother than the last one. And the last one is out. And the Teggy is done. It is officially slammed. It took way longer than it should have, but it's done. It is done, and damn does it look good. Wheel gap gone. Super happy with the results. Once again, took way too long, but it turned out good. So now we can move on to the rest of the build, like this bumper right here. And I have a bunch of other stuff ordered. I have a bunch of stuff that's already here, and I have a bunch more stuff that I need to order. So super excited for this build. Hopefully you guys follow along. I'm going to be posting everything for it on here on YouTube. But I got to get cleaned up, get the Mustang back in the garage, because I'm going on vacation in a few hours. And I'm going to be filming that vacation. It's going to be pretty crazy. And I'll give you one hint. That's it. That's the hint. So comment if you know where I'm going below. I'm sure I'll be posting the video pretty soon since I'm going tomorrow. And make sure you subscribe to follow along to the build and all the other crazy things we're going to do on this channel. And yep, that's about it. See ya.
Get my bread, then I get my head, then I get my closure. They had bullets in his head, shouldn't have been a poser.